Why do crabs turn red when cooked? Hi, little scientists. Have you ever wondered why crabs and lobsters turn bright red after being cooked? Let's dive into this tasty mystery together. When crabs are alive, they're not red, are they? Most crabs have shells that are greenish, bluish, or even brown. That's because their shells are made of lots of different colors mixed together, like paint on a palette. The main color comes from a special pigment called astaxanthin. This is what makes the shells red, but here's the twist. It's hiding in a live crab. The astaxanthin is locked away by a kind of protein that covers it up, like a secret superhero wearing a disguise. That's why we don't see the bright red color. Instead, we see those darker colors from the other pigments mixed in. But then, something amazing happens when the crab gets cooked. When the heat rises, it's like the superhero ripping off their disguise. The heat breaks down the proteins hiding the astaxanthin, freeing the red pigment to shine brightly. That's why the cooked crab turns such a beautiful, fiery red. Fun fact, this color change doesn't just happen in crabs. Lobsters, shrimp, and even some fish have the same color-changing trick. Cool, right? So next time you see a plate of red crabs or lobsters, you'll know the science behind their amazing transformation. It's like magic, but it's all thanks to chemistry. What other mysteries of the ocean do you want to learn about? Let us know, and we'll explore them together. See you in the next adventure.